I ain't gonna do it.
Rev that shit up.
Let me just get it by pop, baby.
Rev that shit up, nigga.
Saying Jason in the house. Jason in the fucking house.
Do it. Do it.
Don't fuck around cause you be going down. Don't fuck around cause you be going down. Don't fuck around cause you be going down. Down. Yeah. Swip, swip, swip.
And that was not good, motherfucker.
Alright, I'm sorry. Alright, that's it, that's it. Goddamn.
I'm not fucking around. Fucking right.
Chill, man. Chill. Nigga, you owe me some motherfucking money.
What?
I got chainsaw mask up this motherfucker. If that one don't work, Ish.
What else you got for him?
You gotta still videotape this?
Yeah, let's go.
I got the electric one. We just plug this one in. Hold up. Don't be no talking now. Don't get too close.
Don't be fucking with me
Don't
now.
get too close to me. Get over me.
I will knock you out
Get
right
off
now.
me.
Oh, shit.
Get off me.
Alright. Yeah.
You don't like that shit. You kill us about that shit. I'm sorry about this cheese. It's Father's Day. Long as I can do, I got the tools, right, Pop?
Hey, look. Here's one thing.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, do I have the tools?
You got the tools. Me and Howard got the tools. Me and Howard got the tools. I don't know which one that know how to use it.
Yeah.
I don't know which one that know how to use it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Tell me, do I not have the tools?
Yeah. You got it.
You need the barbershop. I should have trimmed you up with the damn stuff. Yeah, you're a fresh one.
Get the fuck up out here.
You got that?
Yeah. Go ahead, show them grades, motherfucker.
Yeah, shut it over, rusty old shit. That's that bottle for your doctor, boy. I drink every day.